Oh, gonna try and install this new polyurethane motor mount. Start by disconnecting that hose. And I got these two bolts here. They're 18 millimeters. I have to disconnect my mount from my reservoir. I might have to loosen this bolt here to pull this away, and then there's a bolt tucked back in there, and then a bolt down there and over there. And see how it goes. And this right here is a 10 millimeter bolt, and then these side bolts are 16 millimeters. And kind of figured it'd be tough getting there, so I'm gonna actually end up pulling this. There's a T20 hiding back here if you still have your foam, and another T20 over there. And make sure you unplug your sensor from here, and you have some nice access. I believe it's a 13. Yep, it's 13 millimeter. Well, tried that with a regular socket, even at my impact, and that wouldn't come up. So I went on a 20-minute search for my 13 millimeter impact socket, and boom, instantaneously. So don't recommend trying that without an impact. And then obviously supporting it on a jack with a board. Make sure you miss this, or you're gonna be putting all your pressure just on this little lip on the alternator. Seemed like it was short, but I don't know. Stock mount is so much thicker everywhere. Bottom plate, bolt thickness. I'm sure when I lower it, these will probably end up lining up, but I don't know. Yeah, it's not gonna work. That is the bolt all the way tight. So, nope. And then I remembered it was supposed to come with bolts. So maybe switch out the bolts, and then I don't know. I think I have to lower the engine a little bit to get that to line up. Either that or it's not going to work at all. So I guess I'll fucking figure it out. And of course, the bolts are coarse thread, and I need fine thread. So these won't even fucking work either. Scrapped project. So, okay. This wasn't quite touching either. So. Maybe it wasn't as far off, but the bolts still don't work.